What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Actually, we are unboxing the Tordon ready to use herbicide. Now, we'll get right to it. Lately I've been cutting my tree and I've been landscaping a lot. That way I can just take care of my house in general. And I've been working on several projects. That way I can get ready to... Oh wow, oh, it actually comes in double. Sweet. So I'll have it both. I'm actually gonna say both because I previously purchased a herbicide. I didn't get to do a video on it, but I wanted to give my review. Oh, I can already smell it. Oh, sweet. Oh, it's from Seed Ranch. Awesome. Yeah, this is actually, the same people. These are actually the same people that I ordered it from. So Seed Ranch, thank you. Yeah, it is. I am pretty satisfied. I appreciate you. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is for basically, I'm gonna say like, actually I'm not gonna cut it all the way. But yeah, the Tordon ready to use. It's a herbicide which, you know, in case you are trying to get rid of a tree. I know I'm trying to get rid of a tree, a specific one near my area. And yeah, because it literally just takes up space and I don't want it to be there, and it's just causing all kinds of issues. So yeah, I can get someone to remove it, but I kind of wanted to do this project on my own just to get the learning experience. Oh man, I literally, honestly, I kind of injured myself in the process. So, oh my gosh, I can't even open this. So my recommendation, guys, if you're uncomfortable on knocking down trees, yeah, I'd say call a professional. There you go. But like I said, this is just a project I wanted to specifically take on, and you know, I mean, if you have the cash and the money, yeah, get a professional to do it. There is one tree that I'm trying to knock down, but I'm gonna put a white flag on it because it's super tall, and I don't have the necessary tools to cut it down. Well, I kind of do have a chainsaw because from my previous chainsaw, but I just don't have like a big ladder to properly cut it, and I don't want to, like, you know, risk injuring myself in the process, because that's the last thing I want to do right now. Plus the sun goes down as I'm filming. We're in January, so the sun goes down by 6 o'clock and it's kind of dark, and that's basically when I get home. So we're reviewing the Tordon ready to use herbicide. Nothing but positive things to say about this. Yeah, this is a bit pricey, guys, but it is totally worth it if you're trying to get rid of something. This just works naturally. I'm not gonna open it, but because it's really strong and I don't want to get it on my hands. Do not get this on your hands. It is really strong. So if you do get it on your hands, I'd advise for you to basically wash with hands for like 10 minutes with hot water, because yeah, you don't want to mess with this stuff because it contains a lot of, yeah, like, I don't know if you can see it. Let me, there you go. It's crazy. Like, it's made to kill plants and roots and basically a tree. At first I was trying to look for another one, but this, I gave this a chance because I saw most of the reviews that this actually works. And I'm not gonna lie, I did have a lot of like bushes of like little trees, and I poured this on, and man, within 2-3 days they were literally gone, or they're still there, but they're like slowly fading away. And I use an axe basically, and I just strip it down through the side of the tree, and then I just pour it on. And it has like it's blue, and it has like a strong smell, so you'll know if you put it on there. And that strong smell stays there until like 2-3 weeks. I put it all over. Since it's a big tree, I put it all over the place. I hacked multiple times, and you just got to give it time. The bigger the tree is, that tree's been there for a long time. So I give it, it's slowly dying. Of course, I trimmed off everything, but there is literally no life to it. We just have to wait for it to like naturally fall on its own. And But other than that, guys, this Tort, if you are looking for, or if you, in general, if you just want to kill like those roots that are growing on the side of your grass, I would recommend this. I have no complaints for it. It is amazing. Let me go bring it back over here. Yeah, for controlling unwanted trees via cut surface treatments in forests and non-cropland areas such as fence grows, roadsides, and rights of way. So, yeah, like if I wanted to, I can just pour this along my fence, like along it, and this will literally kill it. You don't, yeah, you can like, you can basically, you know, trim it, but for me, I guess I'll just do it. I mean, if it's just there, it'll kind of work. But yeah, it's been working so much. Be careful if you put this around trees that you're growing, like lemons, oranges. It will hurt them. So be careful exactly where you pour it. I suggest put it towards like basically an area where you know that that tree is going to give you problems. This will be the best thing. But other than that, guys, let me know your comments if you have used this before. Like I said, I've used it. I recommend it. Huge shout out to Seed Ranch, providing me the second one. I used the first one. That's a lot of trees. I don't want to live like that, but hey, I think Clark Kent lives there. But yeah, other than that, I recommend it. Like I said, I don't want to open it because it is pretty strong and I don't want to get my hands on it. But I usually keep the Tordon. Oh yeah, so it comes with a little spray bottle. Sorry, I didn't see you. That so you can easily just take off the cap and pour that on, and you just pop it back in. Always wear gloves with this. You don't want to get this on your hands because, like I mentioned, it's strong and it's a good bottle. I had to use a lot on the other one because I'm gonna say like I'm right here or right here. Either way, I ordered a backup one because I'm still working on it. I just wish they had like a bigger one. That'd probably be cool. But other than that, guys, always keep it back. I would say keep it in a bag. Man, I can smell it already. I'd say keep it in a bag. That way, in case you keep it inside or in your garage, that way your pets don't get it and they start to smell it. Either way, they'd probably want to get rid of the smell, but this is how I would store mine. So, all right, guys, that was pretty much it. Tordon ready to use. That's what the RTU stands for. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.